Here is a little update. So the motor's in, it runs. We checked the oil pressure here. I don't know, it was running about 50, maybe? I don't know. There's oil leaking out of the bottom of that fuel pump. There's a nut, and I didn't get it tight when I installed it, so it's leaking oil down and onto the oil pan gasket. The radiator was leaking, so we had to get a new radiator and 2 new hoses. Still haven't got the carb figured out yet. It is running. I'm not going to start it right now because I just drained the oil. Looks like it's got a weird little pattern to it. I'm not sure what that is. But I have used this oil pan for other stuff, so I don't know. But it looks pretty decent. I just did it, so it's still warm. I thought maybe there was coolant in it because it was coming out so liquidy, or water, because, yeah. Anyways, I also put whatever, lead or something in there for the break-in. Might cut the oil filter open to see what that looks like. But other than that, pretty happy with how it's turned out. I've used 3 of these oil pressure line things now for the pressure gauge there. Yeah, don't see anything else leaking. So still working on timing and trying to get that carb set. But other than that, pretty happy. It runs, and that's about it for now. I'm gonna swap out the fuel pump. I might have called that an oil pump earlier. I'm gonna swap that out because when I put in this one, I forgot it was the old one. So, all right, that's the update for now.